And if we think about the customer journey to contractor selection, and we'll sort of stay with the heat pump topic, there are a few different buckets of query types. Sort of, are heat pumps a possibility for my home? How do I find a heat pump installer? And then the third being like, how do I learn more about a specific company? You've got those as a research query. You've got those as a what I'm calling a contractor finding query. And then you've got sort of evaluation and contact. And we put that into kind of a more of a customer journey and start to think about the role that AI can play in each one of those. The experience using a ChatGPT to have this kind of iterative conversation about the topic, how do heat pumps work, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. It is a vastly better experience for the user than going through traditional search. Remember that while these things are standalone now, it's very possible that directories, there could be a kind of a chatbot there that is utilizing this same technology, but helping people kind of find it. If you then take the rest of the customer journey, right? I think there's lots of places where this technology is very appropriate.
To watch this full webinar and a complete archive of all Energy Circle webinars, visit energycircle.com/webinars.